somebody ate one. Who did it? Today, we're making overnight cinnamon rolls. This is the farina flour, 6 cups. There's 1 tablespoon of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now we're just gonna mix it. In this bowl, we have 1 cup of warm milk. And now we're gonna add 1.5 cups of warm water. And this is 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 eggs. Now we're just gonna mix everything together. We're gonna mix the liquid with the flour. My grandma's helping me because that's too heavy. Okay, now it's time to cover it for 2 hours until it grows. We have to take the spoon out and put this on it. And now we wait. Look guys, look how much it grew. We're gonna dump it on some flour on the counter. Because it's sticky, you have to put more flour on it. Just gonna roll it into a rectangle. Look how big we rolled it, guys. Now we're gonna brush some butter all over the top. See guys how big we made it? Now we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. We're gonna bake in the morning. Hi guys, welcome back to our video. We're making big cinnamon rolls. You see how big this is? But you can make the small ones. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. Now we're just trying to spread all the cinnamon rolls together with all this yumminess. We're gonna spread it. We're gonna deliver them to our family everywhere, and even my mom's house. She said she could have the most, so I got the most right here. Okay. Now it's all ready. Time to eat. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this whole video.